This technology uses supercritical fluid-assisted extrusion molding to control the foaming porosity to 10% to 30%, effectively reducing signal loss, and through dual-core co-extrusion design, ensures center distance stability and process consistency. HDPE is used to replace traditional PTFE coating materials, reducing costs while maintaining high-frequency performance. The unique shielding layer and ground-leveling structure design greatly improves the suckout phenomenon and ensures signal stability. Compared with traditional solutions that rely on imports, this technology enables localized production advantages and strengthens supply chain autonomy. It complies with high-speed transmission standards such as PCIe 4.0/5.0, USB 4, and HDMI 2.1, helping customers quickly implement mass production, setting a new benchmark for domestic high-speed signal cables.